Yes, good morning. The video today is on sexual performance anxiety and how we avoid it. Why is it important to understand how we avoid it? Because actually many of the ways that we choose to try and avoid the fact that we're struggling with erections or not staying hard for sex makes the situation even worse, and I'll explain that in a second. So it's important that we understand what not to do so that we don't make the situation worse than what it is. Now, where did I learn this from? Well, it's come from my personal journey and understanding the decisions that I made to be able to try and deal with this and to fix it. And also from speaking with hundreds of guys by now, and I would have to be crazy not to see patterns that come up really regularly. So let me jump straight into it. What happens when we struggle to stay hard for sex or struggle to get hard in the first place for sex? We avoid it usually because it feels too scary, too uncomfortable to deal with, and we start to choose other things to escape. For example, it may be that our drinking alcohol increases, the rate of which we're consuming alcohol increases. It may be that we start watching porn more often when we're solo because things are working okay there. It may be that we start to eat junk food or food to comfort us and take away this feeling of shame. Or it may be that we start working longer hours to avoid moments of intimacy with our partner. There's many different things that we can take on. It could be a combination of a few of those. And I'd like to ask you, what have you been doing to avoid the uncomfortability of erection struggles? And when you think about that, so when we think about watching porn or drinking more alcohol or eating more junk food or working later, these things usually add even more stress mentally and anxiety. And also these things on their own can also contribute to erection struggles. So alcohol is a known contributor to erection struggles. Porn, you'll see that I've done other videos on how porn leads to erection problems. Working late and the stress that comes with that, stress and anxiety, leads to erection problems. So often the things that we do to try and avoid the uncomfortability adds to the situation and makes it even worse. So what to do next that is a step in the right direction? The most important thing is to understand what is causing this, what is the underlying issue, so that we can address that and then get it fixed, okay, rather than escaping to other stuff that actually makes it worse. To do that, I have developed 10 really simple yes or no questions that you can ask yourself. In the link below in the comments, you'll see, in the comments below, you'll see the link to that. If you click on that, it will take you straight to the quiz, so you can answer the 10 yes or no questions. That will take you a couple of minutes and figure out the underlying cause so that you can get hard and stay hard during sex, and not choose something that is going to make the situation even worse and cause permanent erection problems. Okay, so click on that link in the comments below now, answer yes or no to the 10 questions, and I will send you your score. Thank you.